Good morning, everyone. This is Carlos. I just got done fixing this beautiful Whirlpool Calypso dryer. About almost 2 years ago, I replaced the pump motor on the washing machine. That was a bear. That was you needed a jack and go underneath this machine, take all the panels out. But anyway, this morning I got up, well, actually didn't go to sleep. I just had to work on this baby because there was a squeal coming from somewhere, and I thought it was the roller bearings where the drum rides, and then I thought it was the idle pulley arm bearing, but that wasn't it. And when I disassembled everything, of course, it was the motor itself. And what I found when I opened this whole panel, it was completely inundated with lint in there. And some lint went in the bearing housing of the motor, front and rear. And well, I got a vacuum cleaner, I vacuumed it. Then I got CRC 2-26 electrical spray, which is a lubricant as well, and I sprayed some in the bearings there, and that did the trick. I thought I had to buy a brand new motor that costs 180 bucks. Well, here's the deal. I'm going to go normal and medium high. I'm going to go probably. Oh, okay, it's fixed. I don't use this dryer myself too much. I'm embarrassed to say, but I know how to fix it. So here goes nothing. No more squeals. Operation normal, and it's super clean inside now. And I highly recommend you guys to do a thorough cleaning of dryers, especially the lint buildup in there could be something fierce. And from what I understand, depending on what kind of towelettes you use and clothing you got, the lint is a fire hazard, especially if it builds up around the motor down there. So as you can hear it, all you hear is a drum. No more squealing. Just perfect. Anyway, just thought to give you a heads up on just the normal care and maintenance of these machines. My family member that's here, every time the repairman came, they didn't do a thorough cleaning. I guess they want it to break down. I guess normal. I'll see you guys later. Bye.